Stop scrolling. These Amazon finds are game changers. You won't believe number 3. First up, the Ninja FS301 blender. It turns frozen fruit into creamy ice cream in seconds, perfect for guilt-free treats. Next, the Apple Watch SE tracks your workouts and lets you reply to texts on the go. It's a must-have for anyone on the move. Then we have AirPods. They connect instantly and deliver crystal clear sound. You'll never want to go back to regular headphones. Creators and students, check out the MacBook Pro. It's smooth for editing and has insane battery life. For skincare lovers, the DRMTLGY SPF 46 moisturizer hydrates and protects your skin. And if you're into camping, the nylon repair patch fixes anything from tents to backpacks in seconds. Amazon has the best deals right now. Grab your favorites before they sell out.